Hello, this is Chaos Nature here. Today we are going to be presenting to you how to fix noise floor for ACX specifications. So when you're producing a book or producing any content for ACX, they expect you to pass the specification that is given to you. And in our case, let's say we do a select all on this MP3 which I've imported, which I know that the noise floor has failed. So if you do ACX check on that, you see it's past the peak level, it's past the RMS level and the noise floor level. I'll do a separate video on each of these specifications, but today we're dealing with the noise floor. RMS should be between minus 18 and minus 24, and noise floor should be below minus 60. So I have previously done, I will also do a separate video on how I did that, but just to give you a little clue what I did in the previous to prepare my noise floor, I just copied a section of the noise floor here which has failed, because if you do analysis on this again, you see it's the same thing, it's failed. So I just copied it and pasted it and then pasted it. See what's going on here. Yeah, pasted it, and I don't know, hold on a second, let me change my, okay, so I pasted it, and what I then did was amplify this until I got 60 dB, minus 60 dB, or below minus 60 dB. And then what I then did was, copy and paste several times until I had 20 something minute, 24 minutes of noise floor ready. So I exported that, and that became my template. So I just undo that. So now what I would do is I would import back that export, the noise floor level that I exported. I will import it into this project. This is the noise floor that I prepared. So when you're working on the project and you get that noise floor failure, like let's try that again, so you see that it's not a trick. The noise floor is failed. So if you get that that situation, so what you do is you use this trick. So you would import the noise floor that I prepared. I will make this noise floor audio available to you on a link, and you can download it for your project. I think this is about 24 minutes of noise floor, so it's more than the actual project. So what I do, I trim it by cutting it here. So I split the clip, not exactly, put your cursor there, split the clip and delete, that's not needed. So now I've got my noise floor on a different track with the original MP3 that I'm trying to fix. So now I do a select all, and I export this all together. I export it, and let's browse to testing, 15 minutes audio. So I export that, and then what I'm going to do next is I will just clear this project and re-import. So that technically that's fixed now, but just to show you that it's fixed, the result, I'm going to delete all this and re-import that. I'm going to re-import that sample that I just imported, just showing you so you know it's not a trick. So I drop it in there. So now when I do select all and I do analyze, it should pass. So see, that's it, the noise floor is fixed. So this is how you fix noise floor very easily. There are other ways of fixing it by messing around with these values here. Where's the check? You can mess around with the limiter, set your limiter, and also I found that also messing around with the RMS and the perceived loudness can also fix it as well. But the quickest way I found while working on my project is what I've just shown you. You just import the template of your noise floor overlapping the original project and then export it, select all, export it, and then it's fixed, and then you can re-import it just to test again, just to do analysis again and test again. And I hope that was informative. And this is Chaos Nature out.